The CleanTech Laser Blaster cabinet is a high-performance, industrial-grade, fast, precise, and incredibly productive laser cleaning machine. The Laser Blaster cabinet is the only laser cleaning machine in the world that incorporates the exclusive powerful fiber laser handheld laser blasting head for flexibility, speed, and precision. It is the only laser blaster cabinet manufactured in compliance with the CDRH FDA regulatory compliance that offers optional features such as dust collection fume extraction systems, C5 rotary indexer for circumferential cleaning, and a turntable for vertical rotational position of parts. CleanTech laser cleaning machines are laser products that include added safety measures for easy and safe operation in all industries such as aerospace, defense, commercial manufacturing, and institutional industries. Standard features include a single-phase 120-volt 60Hz wall plug, 50-watt fiber laser with higher output power options up to 2 kilowatts. Certified Class 1 laser enclosure with easy viewing laser protective windows. Industrial grade extruded frame with 19-inch rack mount design for continuous performance under high shock, vibration, and dust conditions. A 30-inch by 26-inch cleaning area with optional tooling plate with T-slots. A 9-inch touch panel screen user interface. 5 pre-designed pattern modes. Easy release, easy attachable cleaning wand holder. Laser on magnetically locked side doors for operator safety, CDRH compliant interlocks, emergency stop and laser off switch, dual fume exhaust ports for factory or standalone dust exhaust systems, compressed air or inert gas connections for high quality surface conditioning and treatment, and a long-term industrial grade reliability with 50,000 hours mean time before failure. The CleanTech Laser Blaster cabinet eliminates the use of hazardous chemicals and contaminants and is safe, fast, and eco-friendly.